Hello guys, this Shareguru. What is share market? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Share market. It is a place where shares of public listed companies are traded. The primary market is where companies float shares to the general public in an initial public offering, IPO, to raise capital. A stock exchange facilitates stockbrokers to trade company stocks and other securities. Example, share market is where buying and selling of share happens. Share represents a unit of ownership of the company from where you bought it. For example, you bought 10 shares of 200 rupees each of ABC company, then you become a shareholder of ABC. This allows you to sell ABC share anytime you want. Features of shares. Meaning, share is the smallest unit in the total share capital of a company. Ownership. The owner of share is called shareholder. Distinctive number. Unless dematerialized, each share has distinct number. Evidence. A share certificate is issued by a company under its common seal. It is a document of title of ownership of shares. It is shown by share certificate or in the form of demat account. Value of share. Each share has a value expressed in terms of money. Face value. This value is written on the share certificate and mentioned in the memorandum of association. To price. It is the price at which company sells its shares. Market value. This value of share is determined by demand and supply. Income. A shareholder is entitled to get a share in the net profit of the company. It is called dividend. Ability. The shares of public limited company are freely transferable in the manner of articles of association. Holder. Share is a movable property of a shareholder. Kinds of shares. A company can issue two kinds of shares. Preference shares. Equity share. Equity shares are long-term financing sources for any company. These shares are issued to the general public and are non-redeemable in nature. Investors in such shares hold the right to vote, share profits and claim. What are examples of owner's equity? Owner's equity is the amount that belongs to the owners of the business as shown on the capital side of the balance sheet, and the examples include common stock and preferred stock, retained earnings, accumulated profits, general reserves and other reserves, etc. Preference share. Preference shares, more commonly referred to as preferred stock, are shares of a company's stock with dividends that are paid out to shareholders before common stock dividends are issued. If the company enters bankruptcy, preferred stockholders are entitled to be paid from company assets before common stockholders. What is an example of a preferred stock? Companies offering preferred stock include Bank of America, Georgia Power Company and MetLife. Preferred stockholders must be paid their due dividends before the company can distribute dividends to common stockholders. Preferred stock is sold at a par value and paid a regular dividend that is a percentage of PA. Reach us at Shareguru, your smart content expert.